In this video, I will show you how to log into Instagram without verification code. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner. Now, we just have to click on Account Center and then scroll down. Now, once you scroll down, you will be able to see Password and Security. You just have to click on that and then click on Save Login. Now, you just have to type in another Instagram of yours and then click on this button right here that says Login. Now, you will be needing your password on this accord, but you won't be needing any verification code in order for you to log into your Instagram. So all you have to do is fill this out, paste in your password, or type in your password. So you just have to log in. And now you're logged into an Instagram account without verification code. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!